The recipe creator provides you with valuable insights about your meals, recipes, and menu items, including potential allergens, food labeling data, including calorie content, cost per portion, and a breakdown of a recipe's nutritional information in detail. To create a recipe, click the blue Start button in the top left-hand side of the screen and select New Recipe. Provide a name and optional description in the boxes provided. These will act as keyword tags later when searching for your recipes. You will also need to select a category for your recipe. Search for ingredients using the food search box in the top left corner of the screen. Click on the food for a quick breakdown, including calories, macronutrients, and category of the food. Click on the eye symbol to view more information about that food. If satisfied with the selection, click the Insert button to add the ingredient to your recipe. Add the quantity of each ingredient by clicking the blank space in the portion size box to add a quantity from the Smart Portion options presented, or type any amount directly into the box in grams. You can also tag custom data to any ingredient by clicking Custom Fields next to the Smart Portions. Here you can edit the quid for this food. This is also useful for managing ingredient data such as origin, shelf life, or storage instructions. Add new fields by clicking the blue plus button. You can also add costing information for each ingredient if you're interested in calculating the recipe's cost per portion. Once an ingredient cost has been added, it will be stored for use when creating other recipes. Continue to add all other ingredients and sub-recipes. You can use the Power Search tool to filter by food categories, dietary requirements, or database, which will narrow down your search results. The analysis is performed in real time as you work. If your ingredients are entered as raw, you can increase the accuracy of the vitamin and mineral analysis by specifying a cooking method for each ingredient. You can provide up to 5 portion size options for a recipe. Nutritics will automatically calculate the calories, cost, and/or RP. You can manually enter a sale price. You also have the option to generate the weight based on the calories. Once you have finished adding portion sizes, you can scroll down to see allergen information. Hovering over any allergen will give you the contributing source. Nutritics automatically indicates any nutrition claims available for this recipe. Select any nutrition claim you wish to use, and any associated health claim will then be available for you to select. For more information on when and how to use nutrition and health claims, click here. Below this, you can see the quid information. You can also add cooking instructions and notes using the built-in text editor. The final selection is a full nutrient breakdown per 100 grams. Scroll up to the food labeling section above the recipe ingredients section and specify the number of servings this recipe yields to display nutritional information per portion. The Modifiers box allows you to manually edit the weight after cooking, weight change factor, as well as profit margin and tax rate, which is used to calculate the RRP. If nutrition per 100 grams is required, you may need to specify a weight change factor. Accounting for water losses from cooking will make your recipe more nutrient dense per 100 grams, while the absorption of water during cooking will make it less nutrient dense. If you don't know the exact weight change of a dish, you can enter a percentage value to estimate the weight change. The grouping and sharing section allows you to group your recipes for easy access. All recipe groups appear in the drop-down under the search box. You can also share recipes to other Nutritics users, your Libro clients, organizations you are a part of, or add the recipe to a menu. You can upload a photo of your recipe directly from your computer by selecting the Browse button, or click here to enter an image's URL. Once finished, you can create a PDF, email, or export your recipe to Excel. You can also create a shareable link for social media or for publishing to your website via a live URL. The export settings enable you to customize which detail is included on the exported report. You can also generate labels from the Export To button. If you have the Label Maker add-on, this will replace the Labels button and will allow you to fully customize your labels. If you need further assistance, check out the user manual or email us at support@nutritics.com.